What's going on, everyone? It's your name, and listen, building a YouTube channel can be a ton of work. Editing videos until 3 a.m., the stress of putting your face out there. But what if I told you there's a way to tap into YouTube's money-making potential without ever hitting record? That's what we're diving into today. We're talking YouTube automation. This is your backstage pass to generating passive income on YouTube even while you sleep. We'll break down how it works, the best niches to get into in 2025, and the tools that'll have your channel running on autopilot. So, grab your notebooks, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, let's break down exactly what we mean by YouTube automation. Simply put, it's like building a money-making YouTube business that runs itself. You're creating valuable content, but you're not the one filming, editing, or even doing the voiceover. Think of yourself as the CEO, the brains behind the operation. You're outsourcing the tasks to freelancers, building a team that brings your vision to life. Now you might be thinking, Graham, that sounds expensive. And yeah, it can be an investment up front, but here's the beauty of it. Once you've got those systems in place, those videos are out there working for you 24/7, bringing in that sweet, sweet passive income. No more trading time for money, guys. It's all about creating an asset that generates revenue, whether you're working or sipping Mai Tais on a beach somewhere. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or a video editing whiz to make this work. There are tons of platforms and resources out there to help you find talented freelancers, write killer scripts, and optimize your videos for maximum views. We'll get into those a little later. But for now, let's talk about why YouTube automation is such a game changer. You can scale this thing way faster than a traditional YouTube channel. YouTube automation levels the playing field, allowing anyone to build a successful online business without that pressure. Alright, now that you understand the power of YouTube automation, let's talk about choosing the right niche. This is key, guys. You want to pick a niche that's profitable, has an engaged audience, and honestly, something you find at least somewhat interesting. You're going to be living and breathing this stuff, so you better not hate it. So, first up, we've got finance and investing. This is a huge niche on YouTube, and for good reason. People are always looking for ways to make money to manage their finances better. Think about it. Videos on investing for beginners, real estate, budgeting tips, even cryptocurrency. The possibilities are endless. Next, we've got gaming highlights. Now this one's a bit more niche, but hear me out. Gamers are some of the most engaged audiences on YouTube. They're constantly looking for new content, new gameplay, new strategies. And the beauty of this niche is that you can easily outsource the gameplay recording to freelancers. You just need to find someone who's good at the game and has decent recording equipment. Now, if you're into luxury and motivation, that's a goldmine too. People love watching videos about luxury cars, watches, travel destinations. It's aspirational content and it does incredibly well on YouTube. Another great option is facts and documentaries. People love learning new things, especially if it's presented in an engaging way. You could create videos about history, science, true crime, anything that's factually accurate and interesting. Alright, now for the fun part, actually creating your faceless YouTube videos. And trust me, it's way easier than you might think. Remember, we're all about working smarter, not harder, right? First things first, you need a script. This is the backbone of your video, so spend some time crafting a compelling narrative that keeps viewers engaged. Now, you don't need to be Shakespeare here. Just focus on delivering valuable information in a clear, concise way. Think about your target audience, what they're struggling with, and how your video can provide solutions. Once you've got your script locked in, it's time to bring it to life with a voiceover. Now, you could try doing this yourself, but honestly, I recommend hiring a professional. A good voiceover artist can elevate your video to a whole other level, adding that professional polish that keeps viewers hooked. There are tons of freelance platforms out there where you can find talented voiceover artists for every budget. With the script and voiceover ready to go, it's time for video editing. Now, before you freak out, this doesn't require you to become the next Spielberg. There are tons of intuitive video editing software options out there, even free ones, that make the process super simple. You'll mainly be using B-roll footage, images, text on screen, and maybe some cool transitions to bring everything together. And speaking of B-roll footage, there are tons of websites where you can find high-quality, royalty-free stock footage to use in your videos. This is a lifesaver, especially when you're starting out and don't have your own footage library. Now the last piece of the puzzle, thumbnails and titles. These are absolutely crucial for attracting viewers. Your thumbnail is like the cover of your book. Alright, let's talk about the reason we're all here, making that sweet, sweet cash with YouTube automation. Because, let's be real, building a passive income stream is the ultimate goal, right? So, the most obvious way to monetize your channel is through YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start running ads on your videos. Now, the revenue from ads can vary depending on your niche, your audience, and a whole bunch of other factors, but it's a great way to generate passive income from your content. But don't stop there. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to monetize your channel. Essentially, you're recommending products or services that are relevant to your niche and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. The key here is to be authentic and only recommend products that you genuinely believe in and that would be valuable to your audience. Now, as your channel grows and you start building a loyal following, you can explore sponsorship opportunities. Brands are always looking for new ways to reach their target audience, and YouTube automation channels can be a highly effective way to do that. Just make sure that any sponsorships you take on are a good fit for your channel and your audience. Alright guys, want to know the real secret to scaling your YouTube automation channel faster than you ever thought possible? It's all about leveraging the right tools. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to build a house without power tools, right? So why try to build a YouTube empire without the right software and resources? First up, we've got Vidicue and TubeBuddy. These are browser extensions that give you a ton of valuable data about your channel and your competitors. You can see what keywords are performing well, track your rankings, and even get suggestions for optimizing your videos. Trust me, these tools are like having a secret weapon in the YouTube game. Next, let's talk about AI, specifically ChatGPT and Jasper AI. These are AI-powered writing assistants that can help you with everything from generating video ideas and writing scripts to crafting compelling titles and descriptions. They can save you a ton of time and effort, freeing you up to focus on other aspects of your business. And speaking of time-saving tools, Pictory and InVideo are game changers for video creation. These platforms make it incredibly easy to create professional-looking videos, even if you have zero editing experience. You can use their pre-made templates, stock footage libraries, and intuitive editing tools to put together engaging videos in minutes. Now let's talk about outsourcing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are gold mines for finding talented freelancers to handle tasks like script writing, voiceovers, video editing, thumbnail design, and more. So there you have it guys, that's your step-by-step guide to mastering YouTube automation in 2025. Remember, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work, it takes dedication, but the payoff, the freedom of building a passive income stream online is totally worth it. Now I want to hear from you. Which niche are you most excited to tackle? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.